Dear students, today I am going to teach you how to study with the help of AI. Here I am using Google Gemini to help our studies. Let us start. I am going to start integers chapter 1 of class 7 maths. So here I am going to finish 1.1 properties of addition and subtraction of integers. So what is closure under addition? If sum of two whole number is again a whole number, like 17 plus 24 equal to 41, this property is known as closure property for addition of the whole numbers. Since addition of integers gives integers, we say integers are closed under addition. In general, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer. Now what is closure under subtraction? Let us check if it is fine or not. So if for example 7 minus 9 equal to minus 2, so this is also integer. So we can say that for subtraction also integer is closed. Thus, if a and b are two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Then let us try to see commutative property. Like 3 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 8. What is commutative? Commutative means you can move the integers around and still you will get the same result. So if you are adding in any order, you get the same result. So you can say addition is commutative for whole numbers, and addition is commutative for integers also. In general, for any two integers a and b, we can say a plus b equal to b plus a. But in case of subtraction, it is not commutative for whole number, but it is commutative for integers. Why? Because suppose 5 minus 3 is not same as minus 3 minus 5. If we reverse the integers, we don't get the same result. So we conclude that subtraction is not commutative for integers because we are not getting the same result. Now associative property. So what is associative? Associative means suppose you have three integers a, b and c. So suppose we are doing a plus b plus c. First we are trying to do b plus c, and if we are changing like a plus b plus c, we get the same result. It means addition is associative for integers. Then what is identity? Identity is something if we are adding, you get the same result. So a plus 0 equal to a equal to 0 plus a. It means in any number if we add 0, you get the same result. Now let us see how we can use chart, how you can use artificial intelligence like Google Gemini to solve our problem. So what is the question here? Write a pair of integers whose sum gives a negative integer. So let us see how Gemini work. So we are asking this question from Gemini. You see what answer we are getting. See. So here you can see when we are asking write a pair of integers whose sum gives negative integer, we can get 5 and minus 8, and when we are adding we are getting minus 3. Then again let us try the second one. Write a pair of integers whose sum gives 0. See, this is giving correct answer. So 1 and minus 1, if we add, we get 0. 10 and minus 10, when we add, we get 0. Write a pair of integers whose sum gives an integer smaller than both the integers. So let us see. See, correct. So suppose if two integers we are adding minus 4 and minus 2, then we are getting minus 6, which is smaller than both minus 4 and minus 2. Again, an integer is smaller than only one of the integers. See, you take one positive and one negative, automatically you will get the answer. For example, 1 plus minus 2 equal to minus 1. So, which is smaller than 1 but greater than 2. So, as you saw, like this, we can solve any of our problem of the maths using artificial intelligence like Google Gemini. Here, I will give you an example of this also. Write a pair of integers whose difference gives. I will give just few examples, others you can try yourself. See, write a pair of integers whose difference gives a negative integer. Here you can see the difference. Here actually you can see this is not right. Let us try again. Sometime Gemini will not give you correct answer, but this is not a problem. You can use that's why you need to use your teacher's guidance, so that if sometime this is giving wrong answer, your teacher can guide you. So let us see again. So here you can see the difference between two integers 0. So here you can see 7 and 7. If you subtract 7 from 7, you get 0. Same thing, minus 3 and minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3, you will get 0.